So today I wanted to show you four-way washing machine inlet valves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four-way. So that's 4 cables. 1, 2, 3. And this one is the water.
1.
So 1,
Where
2,
do
3,
you
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the valves. These are the solenoid. It has 4 solenoids. This is where you connect the hose.
Daddy,
This is where you connect the hose pipe.
Well, what do you beach? Daddy, well, what do you beach?
It has 4 wires. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is here. I think this is smooth the wire. So it has 4 wires connected here, 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 and here. So if it's not feeding water, check for the resistance for each solenoid. That is it. And if it is passing water direct without any obstruction, if it's not in use, then check the valves if the valves are okay. You might wake up and find that the washing machine is full of water, so check valves. In most cases, these valves are on a machine that has a dryer. It's a washer stroke dryer. Like if you look at this carefully, it is a 9/6 washer dryer. It's a washer dryer combo. So that's what I wanted to show you for the day. Four-way washing machine inlet valves.